Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to group tasks in ClickUp. Managing your tasks effectively can sometimes feel like juggling too many balls at once. That's where ClickUp comes in, offering you a powerful way to streamline your workflow by grouping tasks. By doing this, you can not only keep your projects organized, but also gain a clearer view of what needs to be accomplished. Imagine being able to quickly see which tasks are urgent, who is responsible for what, and which deadlines are looming, all with a few clicks. This is exactly what grouping tasks in ClickUp can do for you, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to enhance their productivity. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process for grouping tasks in ClickUp. First, you need to log into your ClickUp account using your credentials. If you are new to ClickUp, no worries. Simply click on the Sign Up option and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to get started. Once you're in, you'll find that ClickUp offers built-in options to group tasks in various views, such as list, board, and calendar views. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing and visualizing your work more efficiently. Next, head over to the project you want to work on. For this example, I'm selecting a specific project to demonstrate. Navigate to the task you wish to group. You'll notice a Customize or Gear icon in the upper right corner. Clicking on this icon will reveal several grouping options, providing you with the flexibility to organize your tasks in a way that suits your workflow. Let's explore the grouping options available. Firstly, you can group tasks by their status. This means you can categorize them based on whether they are to-do, in progress, or completed. For instance, if you have a project with multiple stages, this option lets you see at a glance which tasks are at each stage. Another option is to group tasks by assignee, allowing you to sort tasks according to the person responsible. This is particularly useful for team projects as it helps you keep track of who is handling each task. You can also group tasks by priority. This feature enables you to organize tasks based on their urgency levels, like low, normal, high, or urgent. This is a great way to ensure that critical tasks are not overlooked. Additionally, tasks can be grouped by due date. You can sort tasks to see which ones are due today, tomorrow, or in the upcoming days, keeping you on top of deadlines. Another handy feature is the ability to group tasks by task type. This option is ideal for projects that involve different categories of work, as it allows you to see how much of each type of task remains. For a more customized approach, you can also group tasks by tags. For example, if you are managing a marketing campaign, you might use tags like social media, content creation, or analytics to categorize tasks. To demonstrate, let's group tasks by tags. Simply click on the tags option, and you'll notice you can sort them in ascending or descending order. This feature is particularly useful for projects with a large number of tasks, as it helps you quickly find what you need. We have a separate video that goes into more detail on how to add tags in ClickUp, so feel free to check that out for additional guidance. Once you've set up your tags, you can save your changes. This allows you to create a customized task view that suits your specific needs. Grouping tasks in ClickUp empowers you to categorize and organize your work with ease, making it simpler to see where each task fits into the larger project and identify any gaps or areas that need attention. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to group tasks in ClickUp, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.